Growing and making changes can be extremely stressful. However, in this video with the method I'm about to give you, it's going to be super easy. So easy that you'll want to do it every day. And not only that, you're going to grow so fast, people are going to be like, damn, who is that? I want to know what they're on. But before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to this channel at any time I create value in this video. Give it a like, and if you got a question, drop it in the comments below. So let's get started. Number one, let's focus on the problem here. Why people hate change and growth. It's typically because they have this all or nothing personality and they're like, I'm gonna stop this today and have no method to go about it. Or they make really unrealistic changes as a whole, right? Like I was victim to this and I was like, I'm just like all or nothing, and that wasn't working. And then the method I'm about to share with you, like as I've done it, I've seen my growth, and every day I get to reflect on it and I'm like, holy shit. Like not only that, today I did one. It's not really showing out in this video. I need to pump it back a little bit, but essentially my goal today was to slow down. And that's something really hard for me. And if I did that for a stretch of days, I'd felt epically. But this method I'm about to share with you is simply, it just allows you to focus on one thing every day, so that every day you're focusing on changing that one thing rather than doing it all at once. Because if I tried to slow down for 30 days in a row, I would not make it. I hate going slow. I love going fast. I love caffeine, stimulants, and adrenaline, baby. But in saying that, it's really good for me to slow down and embrace slowness and embrace stillness. And that is what I'm about to share with you today, but it's not that. But the actual method here that I'm gonna share with you is a journal prompt I've been doing every day. And after reflecting on my day, the last question is, what can I improve tomorrow? And I swear to God, I've been doing this for the last 30 days, and every day it's changed. It's been something different. Some days it's like, let's tie up loose ends. Today, or last night for today's, it was like, let's slow down. But every day, essentially what you're doing is picking one thing from the day on reflecting on your day. So the first thing you gotta do is reflect on your day, then pick one thing you wanna change for the next day. And though you're gonna be changing what you are changing every day, what you're gonna do is eclectically start to grow, because instead of focusing on just your diet one day, the next day you're gonna focus on your caffeine intake. The next day you can focus on your health and wellness. The next day you can focus on rest and recovery. The next day you can focus on learning something. You get what I mean? So it allows you to kind of grow in a bunch of different directions, and you can just pick something every day that you would like to grow and expand. Because overall, what you're gonna do is you're gonna fine tune a bunch of different skills that it might not seem like you're growing fast, but then all of a sudden, all that growth is gonna come together and you're gonna just blossom, and you're gonna be like, holy shit. And people are gonna be like, holy shit, what happened? And you're gonna be like, dude, all I did was change one thing a day, every day. And I had no idea what the next one was that I was gonna change until the day that I was choosing it. So just really simple. Don't try to change everything at once. Reflect on your day. And for the next day, think of what is one thing that I could do better tomorrow. And if you continually do this, track it for 30 days and see how much you've grown after 30 days. And if it works, continue to do it. And then also tell me how great it worked for you, because it's been fucking phenomenal for me, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. Peace out. Have a good day, and we'll see you tomorrow.